How to send gifts on TikTok. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to send gifts on TikTok. It's so easy. All you need to do is follow those steps I'm gonna give you. But first thing, you should recharge your TikTok with money. Now click on the gift icon and choose the gift you wanna send. Every gift has a price. Now, if you wanna recharge your account, all you need to do is click on recharge and click on one of them and click recharge, and you should start by adding a payment method which is add credit or debit card. And this is, guys, hope this video was helpful to you, and if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.